Stock audit of automobile dealers. Hello, I am Aditya from CA firm Anuj Kalani and Associates. I am going to guide you how stock audit is conducted. It will cover following points: how to do physical verification, documentations. This point will cover information and supporting documents required to be collected, and interaction with client. Before moving forward with the stock audit, please note that the automobile dealers has taken loan from bank NBFC to finance purchase of vehicles from manufacturer. We are doing stock audit as per the request of bank or NBFC. We are supposed to physically check each new vehicle at all showroom and stockyard in a given city. And we also need to collect supporting documents and information from client either in printout or email form. Audit executive needs to be possessing following things: knowledge of accounting concepts like stock, debtors, creditors, business loans, banking, etc. Practical experience of stock audit, presentable and decent communication skills. Smartphone. Please ensure that there is sufficient battery and storage capacity in your smartphone, as it is critical for proper execution. And you will have to call Anuj Kalani and Associates head office in case of any doubt or clarification or any problem during the conduct of audit. Now we will move on to client location. We have to reach the client's main office by 10 to 10:30 am. Make sure you are there on time. Upon reaching, we need to share 3 details with aka head office on the app or WhatsApp group made for the purpose of particular audit you are on. Details we need to share are photograph of the client's office building, selfie with the client's company name board visible at the back. Make sure date and time is shown on the photographs, and also share Google Live location. Next comes meeting the client. It can be either owner or accounts manager or any other senior authorized personnel of the company. Now we need to learn how to introduce ourselves in front of the client. It goes on from ask for the client contact person at reception, then meet the concerned person and greet him or her. Introduce yourself properly to the client. For example, good morning sir, I am Aditya from stock audit firm Anuj Kalani and Associates. I have come here to conduct stock audit of XYZ bank. Say the name of the bank here. I will do physical verification of vehicle stock. We shall need some financial documents from you. Refer email sent to you by our head office. It contains a checklist that will mention all the documents we require. We will move on to having discussion with the client. We need to discuss with the client about the company, its operations, scale of operations, sale, purchase, etc. Ask for the stock list, the latest list that is maintained on the DMS. Discuss the locations where the vehicles are stored and the quantity of vehicles at each location. We need to explain to the client the documents we require as per the checklist. And most important thing to keep in mind is always refer SOP. Moving on to physical verification process. I am going to help you understand the physical verification sheet given here. In the first row, write the name of the dealer. Next, mention the type of location visited, whether it is a showroom or a stockyard or a workshop. The complete address where we have visited. Next, date of visit. Then we have to write the name of the manufacturer. For example, if the dealer is of Maruti Suzuki cars, so here you will write manufacturer name as Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Then write down the name of the client person, his mobile number and email ID. Then write down the name of the bank or NBFC which has requested us to do this audit. Then down below this, there are columns given in which you have to fill the details of the vehicles you are counting. Now I will tell you certain points that are to be followed in physical verification process. First, open physical verification Excel sheet on your phone or take printouts of it. Then write last 5 digits of the chassis number mentioned on vehicles. Chassis number is the unique number denoted to the body or frame of the vehicle. Verify each and every vehicle found at client premises and match them with the stock list provided by client. Then take photos of showroom, stockyard visited, random photos of building, stockyard, vehicle lane, etc. and also the photos of chassis number written on the vehicle. Perform this verification process on all locations visited. Note that separate physical verification sheet to be prepared for each location. Each sheet need to be countersigned and stamped by the client and share selfie and live location of each place being visited. So let's move on to collection of documents. We will have to collect all required documents from the client. We need to always refer checklist for the collection of documents, and documents should be collected either in printout form or get it emailed to aka head office. There is an Excel datasheet sent to the client. It is sent prior to the audit. Client need to fill all required details. Example, stock, debtors, creditors, loans, sale purchase, etc. Also need to collect supporting documents as per the details filled by the client in the Excel datasheet, like bank statements, list of debtors, creditors, insurance policy copy, etc. After this Excel sheet is filled by the client, email soft copy to aka head office. Also take printout of that Excel sheet and get it signed and stamped. Now we need to focus on getting the documents signed and stamped by client. Such documents include visit letter on client's letterhead, all the physical verification sheets of the locations visited by us, the Excel file, the data sheet as we previously discussed, and all the other supporting documents in printout form. Always remember, before leaving the client premises, we need to inform the Anuj Kalani and Associates office about position regarding physical verification done at showroom or stockyard, the Excel file data sheet and supporting documents collected, and discrepancy or pendency if any. Once the audit is done, you need to email aka head office scanned images of all the documents collected by you and then courier all the documents hard copies to the aka head office address provided to you the next day. Here are some of the sample documents. These samples will help you understand how to fill the data. You can refer these samples during audit. Thank you.